What's up, guys? Big Mike here. Figured I take this time so I'm a little cleaning to show you the workshop where it all goes down. Got this bench here. It's actually a old shelving unit, and I cut down, make it only a little more narrow. Bins of just scrap stuff I keep around. Always important to have a nice big monster vise. Don't want things slipping away from you there. Yeah, air compressors and bins of things, and there's my baby. It's a 79 FLH I just redid. Doesn't have many miles on it right now. It's 10 over. Extended front end, 3-inch over forward controls. And just 10 over, 6-gallon tanks, updated controls, sissy bar, factory mag rims, custom front fender, little gingerbread things here and there, but I know what you guys want to do. You want to hear it. Little cold start. That's a shovel head, guys. Still got some adjusting to do on it and everything. As you can see here. That little knocking goes away after a minute. It's got 70 weight nitro oil in it. Shut her down. Yeah, and the older bikes, it's alright to run straight 70 weight nitro oil. I wouldn't try it in the newer stuff. But there she is. 79 FLH. Toolboxes, freezer, table saw. You know, this is where the magic happens, guys. This is where I build everything. My recycled lights from a supermarket I demoed, made some lights bulb storage on the sides. And for you guys wondering, there's the welder I use. I picked that up when I was a kid. Pretty cheap. Got a good deal on it. Some more of the lights, the bulb storage on the side. These shelving units again were from a Levitz. I left them full size so you could put the bins on there and everything. Easy on, easy off. There's that old scooter I got the rims off of. I'll strip that down, I'll take it down to the bike shop. Everybody seems to bring these little scooters in. Want some fix, you can't find parts for them. You know, message to these guys, these scooters really are just like Bic lighters. Once their time is run out, they're done. They're toast. Throw them out. Buy a new one, replace it. So there it is, guys. The end on this picture here. You know, you have a good weekend.